Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are working on an arithmetic operations on rational numbers or percents problem. If you're new to this channel, take a second to pause the video and read the description box and then come back and join us. Okay, so the question says, a bakery opened yesterday with its daily supply of 40 dozen rolls. Half of the rolls were sold by noon and 80% of the remaining rolls were sold by between noon and closing time. How many dozen rolls had not been sold when the bakery closed yesterday? Okay, so let's go ahead and just break this problem down and do it step by step. I think it's a little bit harder if we try to make our equation too big or do too many steps at once. So let's literally just go line by line. Okay, so the bakery starts with 40 dozen rolls. Half of the rolls were sold by noon. So between, let's just say morning to noon, they were minus 20 rolls, so the total they have left is 20. Okay, so now we have 80% of the remaining rolls were sold between noon and closing time. So noon to closing, they are down 80% of the remaining rolls. So 80% of the 20. How many is that gonna be? So in order to find 80% of 20, we can do 0.8 times 20, and that gives us 16. So that's how many were sold, remember? So of our 20, we have to subtract the 16, and that gives us 4. So I know I kind of set this up a little bit funny after I saw the way I did it. I wasn't really a huge fan of it. But again, just remember by noon, you only had 20, and then you sold 80% of that 20. So you sold 16. So then you were only left with 4, which is answer choice D over here. So hopefully this video was helpful. Hopefully you got all that. I know it was kind of quick, but hopefully it made sense. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I do have 3 super quick homework assignments for you guys. Number 1 is to download your free GMAT formula sheet if you haven't done so yet. Number 2 is to like and subscribe, and you get extra credit if you leave me a comment saying hi below. And number 3 is to do the next question by our next video on Tuesday. All right, thanks again, guys. See you next time.